moving forward, you encourage, you know, we shouldn't play partisan with it.
Okay.
Because it's becoming over the time, you know, it's becoming something that police for we are now babe with some. Now see so mati a year obia or bullion van and kofoi or modom can who ya go for me personally, let me who say wom. The point is say Nipana we say or no any the main source on the member evidence no or the name crime scene that copy me tiasia me who say wom and then nipa kona nkobia or muntu crime scene no. These are things you as Ghanaians we should be concerned about it. Immediately we play partisan with it, no, we lose the discussion. Let me cut say. Maybe it's like let my vote count. You go and go away. NDC, you some people by the bad macro demonstration abumuda. Your woman bakwani say. Jabo ti da kule tin na na tin na tete. Wan kuno. Ba obo no you okay. We ya bo aka tama asu mama. Me say NDC we mate NDC party officer ya. Oh muku mu nipa NDC ni wo hono no. And this part of it say akwa say me say good it assembly be hold man na so be na be say MPP that's unka no kre you have no integrity we a young man the politics we want to see tomorrow
buying ball and I ban security yemfa nyamanyo
that's the point I'm making because we a young man the politics in the country the politics we want to inherit the country we want to inherit no we want a better country. Me person be minister for interior. Now you say police for how to do crowd control. Amen. That should be our thinking. That be idea. Yeah, that's sorry. Yeah, no politics. Oh, that cry now. One no, that now. Who crying and do? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? And then you can't say Ghana. Let me trust you. As soon as I make it say, that cry went to me announce and do. That now could do feel legit to prove gas than I do. Is that politics? Yema Ghana fonti ase police for omo suban ni bi enye ba yenso suban ni bi on ma masa adabraka cash on what grounds and a citizen betimi aka se me koshi police station me beti no so ase enye yi o me ti ase enye yi it's such a legit such unquestionable support we say Mahmoud Kabori and
otie na nyansa wo ma ono nso wa adwene obehu se nyansa na wo ka no you don't call people's attention say me kan nyansa no that means it's fake adia asama enya no kore eye no tro no eno ena ye de ntam e bata ho me hey me wait me donya me ka say that means you know say enya no kore you may be caught and then as okay can some be training nipa na so obetena se say yenim akufu adonua bia anti woye kromfo a ba cho wa mo hwe munim kataje every nua bi and you so ye kromfo we free nyansa mu na bae na so onye obi no ono de obetena ho a look at how the NDC has been able to market Kevin Taylor because odidi atem. Look at how they have branded Sami Jamfi because odidi atem omo de eno no munim ye. So bana be Kenyansa or party man, they will sack you. One typical example, Mr. Tete Chang. Oma Pamono, because the man was speaking the truth. Almost who Kenyansa almost only a Kufuado Akoto Kese. Is a work of MPP. Then they will sack you. They will sack you. What your shot coin this in kind of correct. Now you meet their rank. Make so and decide this, you know, most of the moon be no problem. Maybe a moon yampa. And ye factory no one kind the menyan kwa me kwa pa me timba bi no the menyan na MPP for so yesremo sabi onwam tu mu ampro ni mini mu a yeso wa ya chenchena empanyufo so onwam kesebreku otu mu ampro ni mini mu a eya na ebu ni sa chenchena because who call ma me say ozi where is that time oh my born get away because he speaks wisdom ombe you are to atwini a and easy me say onwam kesebreku oni achenchena omo se no mu nyina tu style baako enti so gina ho na onwam no de me ehu so ye onwam so otu a obet wa pro ni minim yes we onwam achenchena ni sa voice no enti achenchena de otu asale no okọ enti ye na nanom nyansa se mo mkato wo se onwam kesebreku otu no ampro ni minim a ye bu na achenchena NPP mo ya adwuma mo ya ade pa, but the fact is mo communication network na weak. You cannot market what you have done and doing. And the Ghanaian voters, you know, come and tell us. Even though you are doing it, we want you to come and tell us. Sorry, the attitude. And the moment you are going to say 2008, Ghana will see, they will not see. The propaganda, no maba. And to my Iba, aha, Messi Dabuase Palm Factory. Okay, share way a Nanumba cassava processing factory. Nanumba cassava processing factory. Uko Nanumba sesia, do what man? Who say, who perkufa do factory no? Who do Nanumba sesia? Me see if you like, send your people there. Next, how many factories are Akufa do see from scratch? And this factory now, nipa over 200 a year juma Nanumba. They say ma no, they are touching me from scratch. And this will be when your green book when your green book pure. And I'm saying we sit on this page. You can't stand for nothing. We want Ghana say be fan into my penfra because I am a proud Ghanaian. I speak in favor of Ghana. And the political party and then when the MPP turns around, Yamin Pemu, now so almost be a bad thing and we will speak against the bad thing they are doing. I'm not speaking for the MPP. I'm only supporting what they are doing for the country because that is what will project the country fast onto the world market. Now, fertilizer producing factory. And if I have a personal or no bar or by factories. Okay, so be 1D1F and this is was no enye. Me pacho me can be see asem so na me be do 11 so a wo beti mase pa. Many a break man fifre na etimi now my no Ghana no de ye penny ntiene en fifre beti yara. Ai enye aha me chira factories uko gomwa potato processing factory enie ni nyina anya se yesi wi a nipa ye mu adwuma ye wi a nipa ewom eye mu adwuma enie gomwa ukudu gomwa also perkufu adu factories say na ni no mo frɛ no. These are all factories built by the MPP government. Tomato processing factory Osudoku, sha Osudoku, aha, enunsu nie. Enu wahu. Ni nyina anya se ye yo. Wahu se bikita, ebi ne kita na nado na. I mean enlarge no. Ene kita so hu a na nado ne gina ho no. Ebi ne kita no, ebi ne si ho no. This is a man, a visionary leader, not the incompetent o. Hwe, ebi ne kita no. Nya se ye si o. Enya se ye si o. This factory is na me de chiro no. Enya ye si o. Ye si ewe. And the thousands are yegusu ayesi. And this and this be catchera wo na say say, hey, omanuma e dia mesi nyame ya aduma Monday. I'm going to tell you, sir. Good afternoon, Asunaba. I'm going to tell you, sir, dokona me oton 1 cedi na wusu no. Sir John Dramani Mahama, woni ne NDC na teso na kan no be ton